Well, thanks, Diane. I'm sure somebody will come forward and claim that artificial arm. Hey, guess what? They've got Hal Barker down at the fair. Hey,
Can you hear me, Bob?
I can hear you really good.
Oh, good. Yeah, this is Hal Barker down for the News Center 9 at 9. And, you wouldn't believe it. We're having such a great time at the fair. And with me right now...
You're having too much fun.
Oh, gosh. You're a card. Right with me right now is Chuck Wagon the Clown, also known as Chuck Larkin, President and Captain of the National Association of Clown Police. I didn't even know there was a clown police. How you doing, Chuck?
I'm doing great, Hal, and thanks for having me on.
Yes, could you please tell us a little bit about your organization?
Well, basically, we're a federal organization here to police and the clown industry and the entertainment industry of these.
Oh my goodness, like a little watchdog group for clowns.
Well, exactly.
I didn't even know there was any trouble within the clowns.
Well, you would be surprised what clowns are into these days. With these seedy carnivals go around, we've got prostitution,
Oh my
extortion.
goodness. Oh.
There's even a clown mafia, believe it or
Oh
not.
my goodness, I would never thought that in a million years. Well, what do you think our prospects are for the fair this week? You don't think there'll be any trouble with as far as any of the clowns around here, do you?
I don't think so. We're starting a public campaign to make people more aware of clowns. They're not.
Here comes one now. And then which clown is this?
This I don't know. He's probably with the fair circus. And, Hi, how are you?
Well, what's he doing with that gun there?
What again?
Oh my goodness! Get that gun away from me! Get that gun! Oh, he's hit! He's hit! Oh my goodness! Bob, can you come in? Bob, can you come in?
Oh, please.
Bob, are you here?
Hal, are you all right?
Oh, I'm been hit in the arm,
The
Bob.
camera's laying on the ground. I can't... Hal.
The cameraman's been shot.
Oh, my
That's a
God.
clown. He's out of control.
The humanity of it all.
This is just horrible.
Go to commercial. Go to commercial.
I'll tell you about it, huh? You watch my back, man.
Yeah, I watched your back, didn't I? Didn't I watch your back?
Yeah, you did.
Ow! Ow!
Look, man.
Ow!
So, give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Ow! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah. Go get my makeup and my boots. The only good clown is a dick.